Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and insights to help you navigate the professional world and achieve your career goals. Today, we have an exciting topic that many of you have requested: tips for effective job interviewing and landing your dream job. Finding the right job can be a challenging journey, but with the right strategies and preparation, you can increase your chances of success. So, let's dive into our top tips. Tip 1. Research the company and the position. Host, before attending any job interview, it's crucial to thoroughly research the company and the position you're applying for. This shows your interest and allows you to tailor your responses accordingly. Dig deep into the company's website, social media platforms, and recent news articles to gain a comprehensive understanding of their values, culture, and goals. Remember, this knowledge will come in handy when the interviewer asks, "Why do you want to work here?" or "What do you know about our company?" Being well informed shows that you are genuinely interested and invested. Tip 2. Practice common interview questions. Preparing for common interview questions can significantly boost your confidence during the actual interview. Take some time to brainstorm and practice your responses to questions such as, "Tell me about yourself," "Why should we hire you?" or "What are your strengths and weaknesses?" Remember, practice makes perfect. Rehearsing your answers will help you articulate your thoughts clearly and concisely, highlighting your relevant skills and experiences. Tip 3. Showcase your unique value proposition. Host, while preparing for your dream job interview, focus on showcasing your unique value proposition. Identify your key strengths, skills, and experiences that align with the job requirements. Highlight these qualities throughout the interview, demonstrating how you can bring value to the company. Try to provide specific examples of how you utilized your skills to achieve success in your previous roles. This helps the interviewer visualize your potential contributions to their organization. Tip 4. Dress professionally and exude confidence. First impressions matter. Dress professionally for the interview, regardless of the company's dress code. Remember, it's better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. Dressing professionally shows respect for the opportunity and conveys that you take the interview seriously. Additionally, don't forget to exude confidence through your body language and tone of voice. Maintain good eye contact, smile, and offer a firm handshake. These nonverbal cues will create a positive impression. Tip 5. Ask thoughtful questions. Towards the end of the interviewer will likely ask if you have any questions for them. Take this opportunity to ask thoughtful questions about the company, the team, or the role itself. This demonstrates your enthusiasm and eagerness to learn more. Remember, an interview is a two-way street. Use this chance to assess if the company and the role align with your career goals and aspirations. And there you have it, our top tips for effective job interviewing and landing your dream job. Remember, preparation, research, and showcasing your unique value proposition are key elements to succeed in any job interview. Stay motivated, keep practicing, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more career advice. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your job search.